Now this is our Earth's surface. Now as you can see, most of it is water and only a part of it is actually land. Now if you notice, among all these land, you will see that they are in different fragments. As you can see, different fragments of land are there, and all these different fragments are actually called continents. So you see, different fragments of land on our earth are continents, and their names are different. For example, so this is North America, this is South America, this is Africa, this is Europe, this part is Asia, this fragment is Australia, and this down here is Antarctica. So these are the major continents of our planet Earth, and they are nothing but the different land masses or different fragments of land masses on our planet Earth. Now, apart from all these fragments of land, everything else is water, isn't it? So these are basically large bodies of water which cover almost 70% of the Earth's surface. So what are these water bodies? Well, these are called oceans. Now you must have gone to a sea beach. Now on the sea beach you see a large water body which is almost unending to our eyes, and it has salt water in it. Well, the sea which you see at the sea beach is nothing but a part of the oceans. So these oceans are huge water bodies of salt water. Now on our planet Earth, they have been distributed into 5 different oceans. So these 5 different oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. So you see here, left of the North and South America is the Pacific Ocean, and in between North America and Africa you have the Atlantic Ocean, and here at the bottom near the Antarctica you have the Southern Ocean. This is the Arctic Ocean, and here below India, this is the Indian Ocean. So you see, these are the major oceans of the world, and they have been divided according to the side of the landmass they are present. Now you know that all these land masses are continents and these are the oceans. So let's identify them on a map. So if you have a map of the entire world, can you really identify all the important continents and oceans? Well, we'll see. So this here is the North America. So this is the North American continent, and here this is the South America. Now let's see the other continents. So this is Africa. And this is Asia. And what about this? This is Europe. So Europe is adjacent to Asia. Here this is Australia. So this is the Australian continent. And here at the bottom, this is Antarctica. So you see, the bottom fragment of the landmass is Antarctica. So these are the different continents. What about the oceans? Well, let's locate them with the help of land masses. So we know that to the left of North and South America is the Pacific Ocean. So this is the Pacific Ocean. Now, what about between the North America and Africa? Well, we have Atlantic Ocean. And here at the bottom, it will be the Southern Ocean. Now let's see here, just below India, this will be the Indian Ocean. And what about here at the top? Well, this will be the Arctic Ocean. So you see, these are the different oceans in the world. So you see, all the important land masses are these, while you can locate different oceans with the help of these land masses. So at the top and at the bottom are Arctic and Southern Oceans. To the left is Pacific Ocean. In between North America and Africa, you have Atlantic Ocean. And at the bottom of India, that is between Africa and Australia, you have the Indian Ocean. So with the help of continents, you can locate all the important oceans, and with the help of oceans, you can locate all the important continents. And they together make the entire planet Earth. So you see, our planet Earth has 5 oceans and 7 continents. So the 7 continents are North America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, and South America. And the oceans are Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. And they together make our planet Earth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.